Hey everyone, this is Ayman, and today I want to give you a walkthrough the stock trading simulator website. I've already made a video like this a while ago, but the software or the website has drastically changed by a lot of improvements, a lot of add-ups, a lot of updates, and I thought that we really need to make an update to the video as well. First of all, the trading replay or the stock trading simulator is basically a software, a browser-based software that you can use to practice trading from the past. You can open literally any stock from the past and trade it as if it was a real time. It's a huge or a really important part of your trading because to be good at anything trading, I don't know, being a musician, engineer, IT, whatever you want to be at, you need to practice for a lot of hours. And unfortunately, trading during time market hours is not the best idea or isn't suitable for everyone. A lot of us are having main jobs, right? You have a lot of responsibilities to do during market hour, which is the 9 to 5 a.m. And also the market is slow at one time speed. You will not be sitting for 8 hours a day watching the market at one time speed. The market replay feature gives you the ability to watch the price action at a faster pace and learn at faster pace as well. Now, let's continue. Basically, when you go to the stock trading simulator website, you will get to this homepage or landing page. And the first thing you would need to do is sign up or create an account to the stock trading simulator. Once you click on the sign up, first name, write your first name, last name, your email, create a password, confirm the password, and the account will be there. Or simply create an account by logging into your Google account or Twitter account. Once done, you will have your own profile, customized profile for the stock trading simulator. The good thing right now is after signing up, you could add any studies you want, you could remove any studies you want, and whenever you log out or sign out of your account, after coming back, the same settings, everything will be saved. Anyway, the moment you sign into the stock trading simulator, you will have this page in front of you, and let's walk through it slowly. First thing is these tabs around here. This is where you need to type the ticker or the stock that you want to watch. For example, Apple here and Nvidia around here. Or maybe you want to watch Apple in two time frames and you could open Apple twice. Apple on the daily chart, Apple on the 5 minute chart, and this is where you can change the time frames. Daily, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. The most common time frames for day trading are the 1 and the 5 minute chart, but you know that you also need to pay attention to the daily chart and the bigger time frames just to get the overall idea before executing the trade. Next thing is the studies tab. This is where you can add studies to your chart. By default, you'll have the moving average 20, 200, 50, and the 9. You'll have view up and volume. Some people use the Camarilla pivot points, the standard, previous day close. We will definitely add more indicators. And if you want more indicators to be added or something you use a lot, make sure to email team@stocktradingsimulator.com with your suggestions, or just type them in the comment section. We'll make sure to forward your suggestion to the development team. Basically, you select the study that you want to add and done. And now you will have these pivot points or pivot levels around here. When you look at the pivot point or when you point at the pivot point, it will show you which pivot it is: R1, S1, S2, S3. To know more about these pivot points, there are lots of tutorials, or you can just sign up to BBT and you will find a lot of detailed webinars about these studies around here. Next thing is you could share a trade you have executed on Twitter. To do that, play it, and as I told you, you could play it at 1 time speed, at 10 times speed, 2 times speed. Choose the speed that you feel comfortable with. Buy, market is going in your favor, against you, sell something, and let's say that you have executed trade and you want to share it. You want to ask me a question, but ask Andrew. Click on share on Twitter icon. It will redirect you to the Twitter page. I need to allow it actually. Cool, 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 good. So basically, you will click on the Twitter icon around here and it will redirect you to the Twitter page. And this is the default message. You could write your question, for example, what do you think about this trade, right? Tag me, and you could tag Megan or tag anyone else, and I'll make sure that I reply to any questions you have right there. This is where you can expand the chart if you want to trade only with one time frame, or basically reduce the chart. If you want to watch the time and sales, and this is something that we give you for free as well, you could click on the time and sales button and you'll have the time and sales data on the right. Watch list around here, market time frame, your realized PNL, unrealized PNL, your open positions down here. And finally, and this is actually the best place around here, first of all, you could switch to dark mode if you prefer the dark mode, or you could switch it here to the light mode. And the best thing, like I told you, is this around here. This is golden. BBT watch list. You could find here moderators watch list for the past 6 months. Now you have the replay feature where you can choose what day, 1st of March, what stock you can trade, but what stocks can you play? What stock was in play in the past? For that, simply click on the BBT watch list around here. It will redirect you to this page, and you could see Monday, October 18th, 2021. Dima was watching these stocks, Jared was watching this stock, I was watching this stock, Andrew was watching, Brian, Mike, and you could practice on these stocks around here. If you prefer Peter's style, you could watch his stocks. If you prefer Andrew's momentum trading, scalping type of style, you could practice on Andrew's style. If you prefer the breakouts, trend trading, you could watch my stocks, right? Plus, there is some explanation, short explanation for 1 or 2 stocks a day for the past 6 months that you could also read and get or follow when you are playing in the replay, right? For example, on the open, we could watch Zoom, what the key levels we had, what time, what setup we had. You could play it, have it on the side, and follow through in the replay feature. If you want to reset your PNL, click on reset, and you could just start all over again. This is basically it, guys. It's not that complicated to use. You could trade from market open, you could go directly to the close, you could even trade the pre-market if you feel comfortable. Unfortunately, in the pre-market it starts from 7:30 and not from 4 a.m., but hopefully in the future more updates will be there. So please let me know what you think about it, guys. If you have any questions, told you, type it down in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe. That will be really appreciated. Have a great day, everyone, and bye-bye.